My name's Dan Rowley. I run the Tier 2 service at the Kaleidescope Project in Newport. Today I went to voluntary action in Merthyr Tydfil to discuss a governmental approach to tackling the problem of new psychoactive substances, often called legal highs. We discussed the impact that new psychoactive substances have in our individual areas, the impact that it has on services, and the ability of services to cope with the influx of new drug users. We also spoke about action points and how to move forward and how to deal with the problem. I was hoping to get across to the committee the idea that education is key. Knowledge is power. That's how we're going to tackle the problem properly. If everybody is as educated as they could possibly be on the subject, then there's no room for error, really. Getting involved with the work of the Assembly is obviously of great importance because you can be involved at the very highest level then when it comes to legislation in Wales. You can have a voice and you can speak to people who have got the power to make significant changes in Wales.